Hello guys, a very good morning to you. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for Aries and this is a reading for August. And we will see what is happening with you guys. So this is a general love reading. Keep this in mind. This might or might not resonate with you at the first place. And the second thing that the roles can be reversed anytime. Yeah. Let's start, baby. Aries, what's happening with you guys? Let's see. So your partner's current energy right now is Aries. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Oh, Three of Swords. So Aries, your partner is right now deeply heartbroken, sad, depressed. This is the Three of Swords card I'm getting here for their current energy. So I feel like your partner right now is deeply heartbroken. They're deeply sad, not being able to understand what is actually happening with them, trying to heal from a situation where there was a complete heartbreak, completely shattered. They are right now. Might be it is because of you, might be it is because of something else. We will clarify, but right now your person is in deep sorrow and deep loss. Okay, not at all happy, not at all happy. Let's clarify the Three of Swords in your partner's current energy. Let's see. Two of Pentacles, Two of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. Okay, so I feel like this person was confused between two people, because two are two times here. So I feel like this person was confused, was juggling between, constantly juggling between you and somebody else, and they were just waiting for the right time to, they took the decision. They had already took the decision that what they want in their life, whom they want in their life, but I feel like they were just waiting for the right time, and now they are ready to have a brand new beginning. They are just in this phase of, okay, I lost I lost the person, I lost the other person, now I want to start with the other person, and I want to leave the past behind, leave the past in the past. Now I am free and I am totally heartbroken and disappointed. Now I want to start my life. It is the restart life. This is life 2.0. This is what is happening with them right now. Okay, this is what is they are currently experiencing. Okay, so Aries, let's see what's your current energy. Aries, your current energy right now is, let's see. Aries, let's see. Okay, calm down. Ace of Swords. See, this person also wants to have a brand new start in their life. You remember Ace of Swords? And this is your current energy as well. Ace of Swords is your current energy as well. So you also want to restart your life again, and you also want to give this person another chance, might be, or give life another chance. I feel like both of you are on the same page right now. Both of you are right now experiencing the same pain, same hurtful situations, and you guys are feeling like, okay, everything is done now. I want to restart my life. Now I just want to come over this shit and restart life 2.0 for you. Okay, let's clarify Ace of Swords in your current energy, Aries. You also feel like you should leave the past behind and just start your life all over again and be victorious and successful. Yeah, let's clarify. Moon could be dealing with the Pisces Tower and the Four of Pentacles. So I feel like you are being very fearful. You were fearing that breakup will happen, this person will go away, they will run away, there is something that was not working out in this connection. Very fearful energy, very fearful and scared energy. You were very fearful and scared. Could be dealing with the Pisces, I told you, could be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So you were very fearful that the breakup will happen. They will run away. There will be something that will, break you completely. And you were holding back so many things in your life, so many things in your heart, so many things in your soul. So you were trying your best to hold everything, control everything, but suddenly everything break up, everything fall, and you are feeling like, okay, now everything is shattered, now I don't have anything to lose, now I want to start my life all over again. Okay, this is the thing, Aries. This is what you are currently experiencing. I feel like both of you are on the same page. Hmm? Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. Let's see, Aries, let's see what this person feels for you. Fool. Yeah. Now I'm sure that this person wants a brand new beginning with you only. They want you in their life. They want to have a start, restart. Again and again, I'm telling you this word because again and again, I'm getting the same word. So the fool is here. So they are feeling like they should have a brand new beginning with you, not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future, just be in the present moment with you. They want to take the leap of faith with you. They want to take the risk of their life with you, okay? And they are trusting the universe that whatever is happening, that universe is making them do that, or the universe is making both of you do that, okay? So there's a sunshine, there's a sunshine between this person, behind this person. If you can see the sun, they are hopeful, they're positive that this time this is going to work out. This time there will be no mess up, or there will be no breakup, or there will be no shitty energies, okay? Let's clarify the fool in their feelings for you. Five of wands, king of cups, and the high priestess. Okay, so I feel like this person and you were having lots of fights, having lots of fights, but this person is getting lots of love for you, lots of love for you, and they are hiding this from you, okay? They're trying their best to hide this from you, that they love you, they still have lots of love feelings for you because of the past, because of the past fights, because of the past, you can say, quarrels or battles. You guys are fighting with each other a lot, and because of that fight, you guys felt like out of love. Might be you guys felt like this person doesn't love me, or you don't love them. This is the scenario. But I feel like this person was, you know uh, deeply in love with you, and they still are deeply in love with you, and they're trying to hide this from you, okay? They are might be just coming in as a friend, and they are just might be trying to be a friend with you and start this connection all over again. But trust me, beneath this friendship thing, beneath this thing that they're telling you that they just need a plain friendship, there's love, lots of love, okay? They just have lots of love for you, lots of feelings for you. That's why they're coming back, right? That's why someone comes to you when they feel love for you. Yeah. So let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Death. It is the card of Scorpio. What this person wants from you, this person wants the end of the struggle, end of the battle between you guys. This person wants an end, definitely end to this situation and start again. Yeah, lots of starts are here. Ace of swords, the fool, the death. Death card is basically the card of ending something and starting all over again, starting from scratch. This is the thing, this is what they want from you. They want this connection to start from scratch with you, okay? So let's clarify the death card. Okay, justice in reverse, ace of pentacles, and three of pentacles, okay? So I feel like this person wants to do justice with this connection, but they are not able to do that. So what they want from you, they want justice from your side. They want justice of emotions from your side. They feel like you should just tell them exactly what you are feeling, exactly what you are going through. And after this conversation of open and honest conversation, there will be a brand new beginning. They are seeking a brand new beginning from your side. They want you to put in the effort, put in the energy from your side as well, and make this connection a teamwork, okay? This is what they want from you, to end the connection, to end the past fights, to end the past battles, and do justice with your own feelings, do justice with this connection, and start this connection all over again, and put in the effort and put in the energy, or the teamwork, you can say, in this connection. This is what they want from you, okay? Let's see what is coming towards you till 10th of August. Let's see what is happening with you guys till 10th of August. Universe, please help me for Aries. Yeah. Two of Cups. See, beautiful loving energy. You guys are going to meet each other. You guys are going to start this connection all over again, and this will be a very, very soulful connection. Beautiful energy of love, beautiful energy of soulmate connection coming in towards you from the person whom you were not might be talking, or whom you had a breakup with in the recent past. And this person is coming in with lots of love. I don't feel like this person is going to propose you, or you are going to propose them, but you guys are going to feel it from inside that you guys are soulmates, and you guys can't live without each other, like this is the energy present here till the 10th of August. Let's clarify the Two of Cups. Page of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Cups again. Yeah, see, There will be messages, there will be messages of, hi, hello, and how are you doing, how's your life. There will be messages of healing. You guys are going to heal with each other, grow with each other, and there will be love again. There will be love again in your life. Okay, for some of you it is a brand new person coming in, but for most of you I feel like the past person is coming in with a lot, with lots of love, with lots of happiness, and they are going to make you feel like this is the soulmate connection. Yeah, you are going to feel this soulmate connection, you are going to feel this soulmate love, and they are going to make you feel like yes, although they are not going to reveal it to you right now that they love you and they have feelings for you, but eventually you guys are going to fall for each other again, and you guys are going to restart this connection. This is a very beautiful energy of love and soulmate, um, soulmateship, you can say. Yeah. So, Aries, I hope this reading will give you some insight that you are seeking for in this relationship. Thank you so much for connecting with me. This is Anjali Tarot, and I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye. Take care. God bless.